working with utmost effort, efficiency, and integrity. Commit ourselves as new members to support the Alumni Association of our school and be actively involved in its programs and activities to achieve its vision and mission. Preserve the dignity and rich heritage of the land and live up to the better hopes and expectations of our countrymen. And divine creator. So help us, Almighty God.
Thank you, Ms. Senores. Finally,